Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Brad with Being Chill. Today we're going to have an unboxing video for the Power2Wise lavalier microphone. You can find it on Amazon. It's about $40 is what I paid for it. They do have a 20% off coupon right now, which makes it $32. However, the price did used to be lower based on the reviews and the camel prices I was seeing. It used to be around $22-ish, so this is a little bit more expensive. However, I do believe that this is one of the higher quality lavalier microphones you can buy on Amazon, under $40, so I'm willing to give it a shot. Now, I do want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos just like these every week, Monday through Friday, so I'd love it if you checked out some of my other videos. Now, let's get right into this unboxing. So here's the Power2Wise lavalier microphone that we are going to be unboxing today. This is going to be replacing my Blue Yeti, so if you want to see a comparison at the end of this video, make sure to check it out. I just can't use the mic arm and the positioning of the Blue Yeti to get good audio quality for my type of videos, so I'm hoping this will solve my problem. Now, I do record most of my videos on an iPhone X, so if you are recording your videos on an iPhone, you will need this Lightning to auxiliary adapter that should have come in the box of most iPhones. So hopefully I'll be able to just plug this up into that, and then when I record videos on the iPhone, it will automatically replace the audio from the internal mic to the lavalier microphone. So if we take a look at the box here, we can see that it comes with the microphone and a 6.5 foot cord. It's also going to come with a 6.5 foot extension cord for 13 feet total. And it's also going to come with a 4 to 3 pin adapter in case you need to plug this into certain cameras or other devices that need a 3-pin auxiliary port. And then we're also going to get a storage case and 2 extra wind muffs. Now, I don't know exactly who's going to need extra wind muffs. I certainly won't, but it's better than nothing, I suppose. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna kind of shimmy this stuff out like that. It looks like it's all tied up here already in the bag. Got a nice thing here. Having problems, contact them. They don't want bad reviews on Amazon, so they'll do anything to get good customer support. We got a microfiber cloth, it looks like, and a 1-year warranty, quick start guide and tips. And then we are going to get into this bag here. So we're going to see right here, we're going to get the what appears to be the 3 to 4 pin adapter that I mentioned earlier. So you'll plug the microphone into here, and then this will give you the 3 pin you can plug into your camera or whatever. And then right here you've got your extra wind screens that I talked about. I'm assuming the other one is on the device itself already. Yeah, pretty standard there, nothing special about that. So I'll just set that over there. And then we do get this nice carrying bag. It's made of neoprene, it feels like. So it is kind of nice to have something like this to keep everything in one place. And right off the bat we have the extension cable, so you'll plug your microphone into here and then plug the other end into your device right there if you want an extra 6.5 feet. And we do have a nice little Velcro cable tie here, so that's pretty high quality, similar to what you see on Anker products. So I like to have good quality Velcro stuff on my devices. And then lastly, we have the microphone itself with some more Velcro here to keep everything tidy. You do have that long cable, so it's nice that they give you that so you don't have to worry about it. And then you got your 4-pin plug-in right there. You got a pretty strong clip here. It's made of metal, and it's got some pretty good tension behind it. I'm actually surprised. I thought this would be, a cheap plastic clip. And then you've got your microphone here and your windscreen on that. You can kind of see it there. And, it just looks like your standard microphone. So hopefully that turns out to be pretty good. We'll see. So that's all there is to unbox, really. So I'm going to hook it up to myself, and then I'm going to do the comparison at the end of this video right now. So here we are back in my traditional setup. As you can see here, I have the Blue Yeti microphone attached to the Rode PSA-1 mic arm. Now this is traditionally out of frame just so you can't see it. And due to the limitations of this mic arm, I can't really pull it in front of my face where it's supposed to be to record proper audio. And I don't want to obstruct the camera's view of me when I'm making these videos just because it would be less entertaining for the viewer. So that's why I've opted to go with the Power2Wise lav mic here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that so you can compare the quality for yourself and see if the Power2Wise stacks up whenever it comes to recording audio for this type of video. So here I am back in my normal setup. However, this time I am recording the audio on this Power2Wise lav mic instead of the Blue Yeti. So make sure you let me know in the comments which one you think sounds better, whether it's this one or that one. And I'm not going to edit any of the audio in post, and that's going to put these kind of on a level playing field here. Now, you may notice some echoes in the room. Try to discount that as much as possible if it's not related to the microphones themselves, because I do have to get some sound dampening stuff in here, but I'm going to have to do that in the future. So that's all I've got for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, this is Brad from Being Chill. I upload new videos like these every week, Monday through Friday, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Peace!